Exterior design. The 2026 Honda Passport is expected to receive a significant redesign, embracing a bolder and more aggressive look. Honda has been moving towards a more rugged styling direction with its SUVs, and the Passport will follow suit. Expect a redesigned front grille, sharper LED headlights, and a more muscular body shape. Larger wheel arches, skid plates, and a higher ground clearance will enhance its off-road appeal. The rear design might also see updates, including sleeker taillights and a revised bumper. New color options and wheel designs are likely to be introduced, making the 2026 Passport stand out on the road and the trail. Interior and comfort inside. The 2026 Honda Passport will continue to focus on comfort and practicality. Expect premium materials, improved ergonomics, and a more modern dashboard layout. Honda may introduce a larger touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with an upgraded digital instrument cluster. Seating will likely remain spacious, with high-quality upholstery options. The Passport has always been known for its generous cargo space, and the 2026 model should retain its reputation, possibly offering even more storage solutions and flexibility for adventure seekers. Performance and engine options. Under the hood, the 2026 Passport is expected to feature an updated powertrain. While Honda has not officially announced engine details, speculation suggests it may continue with a refined version of its current 3.5-liter V6 engine, possibly paired with a hybrid option for improved fuel efficiency. A turbocharged four-cylinder variant might also be in the works, catering to those who prioritize fuel economy over sheer power. Honda's iVTM4 all-wheel drive system will likely return, enhancing off-road capability and stability in various terrains. An improved suspension system and terrain management modes will make the new Passport even more versatile for adventure enthusiasts. Technology and features. The 2026 Honda Passport will be packed with advanced technology. Expect Honda sensing to come standard, including features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims may offer a heads-up display, a premium sound system, and even hands-free driving capabilities, similar to Honda's latest innovations. A new infotainment interface with improved connectivity and user-friendly controls will enhance the driving experience. Off-road capabilities. One of the Passport's key selling points has always been its off-road capability. The 2026 model is expected to improve on this with a more robust suspension setup, enhanced all-wheel drive, and new drive modes tailored for different terrains, such as mud, sand, and snow. The introduction of an off-road-focused trim, possibly called the TrailSport, could add features like all-terrain tires, skid plates, and an upgraded AWD system, making it a serious competitor in the adventure SUV segment. Fuel economy and efficiency. With the increasing demand for fuel-efficient vehicles, Honda may introduce a hybrid variant for the 2026 Passport. This would not only improve fuel economy, but also align with Honda's long-term electrification strategy. If a hybrid or plug-in hybrid option is offered, we can expect better mileage figures compared to the current gasoline-only model. Pricing and trim levels. While pricing details are not yet available, we can expect the 2026 Honda Passport to start at around $42,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching $50,000 or more. The lineup will likely include trims such as the base EXL, the more premium Elite, and the off-road ready TrailSport. Release date and availability. Honda has not confirmed an official release date yet, but the 2026 Passport is expected to make its debut in late 2025, with availability starting in early 2026. More details should emerge as we get closer to its official launch. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda Passport is shaping up to be an impressive mid-size SUV, offering a perfect blend of rugged capability, modern technology, and everyday practicality. Whether you're looking for an adventure vehicle or a reliable family SUV, the new Passport is worth keeping an eye on. What do you think about the upcoming 2026 Honda Passport? Are you excited about the potential hybrid option or the off-road enhancements? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest car releases.